seated here, former chairman of our very, very respectable Council of Traditional Rulers that are also here with us in no special order. They are my brother Popo, my brother Bonnie, and how do they put it? It's just a cheer. I humbly recognize all of you. And our very, 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 very respected Majesties, Highnesses, in fact, in brackets, traditional rulers, royal fathers, I welcome every one of you to this very, very, very special meeting. Let me say that since I assumed the position of the governor of your dear state, apart from the section that I attended in your council, I've not had any meeting with the royal fathers. And I thought it wise that at this very special time, special because of all the wonderful things that God has been doing for us, it is proper for me to have an interface with you. So that is the reason why I called for this meeting. So I want you to relax your mind. There's no problem. It's just to see your wonderful faces. Not only when I invite you for projects commissioning or flag off, but I think let me see you in any other ambience like this, where you enjoy my AC and you're not paying. So let me welcome all of you. Our meeting is very simple. I want the council to live up to its responsibility. From my observation, the council has been, if I borrow the English of one of my family members, they say something is moribund. So I can feel that the council for a while now has been very inactive. Inactive because maybe the chairman have decided not to be responsible as a chairman. I think that is the best word to describe it. I'm not talking about other things that have been happening, but I feel as a chairman of the council, there is a responsibility of the chairman. And so far, I've not felt it, and you can also attest to that you're not seeing that leadership that you expect. I would like to draw your attention to a special, I call it a special insult that was melted to this government. The council produced a calendar for the year of our Lord 2024. And the governor's picture, the deputy governor's picture, was not in the calendar. I want to ask you, does it show any sign that that leadership is working with this government? I hope you have a copy of it. Does it show that that government, this your chairman, is working with this government? So I've decided today that we have to move forward by the special grace of God. The administrative lifespan of the chairman is 1 year, which is renewable, isn't it? So at this particular hour, I have to say that with the power vested on me, the tenure of Sergeant Awuse has terminated. So going forward, there is need to have a leadership that will accommodate everybody and move this council forward. I know a lot of you are very, very special and dear to me. But at this particular moment, there are also some decisions that we need to take to reflect that we want everybody to be part of what we're doing. That as against what is being speculated outside, because I know that our enemy, when he wants to portray us bad, he will say, Asawana, Asawana. So let me here today say that I'm not going to do Asawana. I will continue with Ikorebeka. So, but the Ikorebeka that I'm going to do is going to be Ikorebeka of maturity. Ikorebeka that serve as a father to all. And for us to also study what he can do. If he does well, maybe we'll ask him to continue. So let me, before saying other things, announce here, SSG and the Commissioner for Chieftaincy should note that the new chairman from this particular moment will be Eze Chike Worlu. He will be the chairman, and I believe strongly that he's going to do better and accommodate everyone. Traditional rulers are the closest to our locals. If we want peace in the community, we must work with the traditional rulers. And our government is a government that pays serious priority to peace. So I want every one of you to ensure that we maintain peace in our localities. I won't be surprised if I live here and I hear that they have taken you to court or they have gone to see the council. You know, we have two governments now, the Rivers State government and the Abuja government. But whatever it is, for what it's worth, we must take the decisions to show that we are the one in charge. So let me first congratulate the new chairman. Chairman, you need to come up to sit at the high table now. Come and sit here. A request from our new chairman that please, as you live here, there's every need for you to call for a meeting immediately and commence the process of uniting the council. I am not bothered or interested in your political affiliation, but when it comes to the issue of the council that brings you together, your decision should and must flow on the direction of government. If you're doing anything outside, that is your own. But you cannot, I repeat, that when it comes to the issue of the council, that government has given you recognition, you go against the government. It's very wrong. You can be in whatever it is, but when it comes to our own interests, you must work with our interests. I remember when we went to Ahoda East, the Ekpaya section, to do an activity. A former governor openly threatened one of us, you're here, I don't want to mention it, and warned that if you try it, I will do this, I will do that. But I'm not going to warn you because you are our father, you are my father. I will appeal to you to please give us all the necessary support and cooperation so that we can have a United States that every one of us will be proud of. I know there are some things that the other administration did not do, more especially your vehicles and other few things. I need to... Wait, now let me finish. I'm not finished and you're clapping already. Your allowances will be paid before the end of today. Then the vehicles, I will commence the process of procuring vehicles for every recognized traditional ruler in our dear state. The chairman, one of your first tasks is to give us an updated record. You know, the first class, the second class, and the third class. Those of you that are chairmen, you know, your own is special. You know how to. I need that record at least between now and Tuesday next week so that we can promote the Finally, let me also, like I always say, appeal to every one of us. Today, it is an opportunity that God has provided for Eze, Wodo. Tomorrow, it can be any other person. You need to give him the respect. You need to give him the support to succeed. So that when it comes to your own turn, that same measure will be given to you.
Deputy Governor, members of the Executive Council here present. In fact, I'm overwhelmed with joy for this opportunity you have given to me to serve in this administration. Thank you very much, and God bless you. And my fellow traditional rulers here present, His Majesties, His Royal Highnesses, I am full of joy before you people. Some of you, or almost all of you, know who I am. I'm a simple somebody. I pledged that we should work together. This assignment is for all of us. Our primary assignment as traditional rulers, I record, is to ensure that peace reigns in our various domains and in the state. So we need to work together. That is why we are here. I want to thank the governor and this administration on behalf of all of us. We have to do the needful and ensure that there is peace in the state. I wish to say thank you, our governor, and your able fathers here present. Thank you very much, sir.